Hi everyone, I'm Razvan from MammothInteractive.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to declare dimension variables in Android Studio. And we're just going to do that by going to change the XML files. Just wanted to let you know that there is a 10 hours free course about coding in the description. And right now we're going to go to Android Studio, which I assume we already have installed, and we're going to open the project view. We're going to follow up these directories, app, and then we're going to go to RES, which stands for resources. And then in the layout folder, we're going to go to activity main.xml over here. And then we're going to open from the values folder this dimensions.xml, which we're going to just double click. Okay, and we can close this view over here. We're going to go to activity main in the design mode, which lets us drag and drop everything we want, and we're going to select this plain text view over here from the widgets, and we're going to position them just under the hello world text over there on the screen. Just as you see now, we have three texts over there. Okay, and we're going to go back to the text mode, and we're going to change the text size for all of them. Let's say to 50 sp, and we're gonna copy paste to all of them this thing. Now this thing, it is not the right way to do it. We won't usually just put insert numeric value over here. We want to reference a dimension variable, because right now, let's say we're not happy with this text size that we have right here, and so we're just gonna change it, let's say, to 20. So we're gonna go one by one and change them to 20. But think about it, when you have 10 or even 20 text views in an application, it's just gonna take forever to change all of them one by one. So that's why if you want only one text size to have in an application, it's much better to go on and reference a dimension variable. And those variables are declared in this dimens.xml file, which we're just gonna open right now. And we're gonna create our first dimension variable using this keyword dimen, and then we're gonna give it a proper name, let's say text size, and we're gonna just close this tag over here just by typing the right chevron, and then we're gonna give a value, let's say, as we did in the beginning. We're gonna do 50 sp, which is not the one we want right now, but I'm just gonna do it the process over again. We're gonna go in the activity main file, and we're gonna reference that dimension resource, and we can do that by typing at dimen, and then the suggestion appears from Android Studio, and we're gonna use this text size. Okay, and we're gonna do the same thing for all of them. So we're gonna go here and change it again, and over here. Okay, and now we're done. We have it changed to 50 SPs. But right now, let's say if we want to change it back to 20, then we don't have to go over to each text view in our application. We can just go to dimension file, and we're just gonna set this value to 20, and that's it. Basically, all our change text again. So as you can see, it's now changed. So basically that's all you have to know in order to declare and use the dimension variables in XML for Android Studio. I hope you enjoyed this video. We have a lot more projects on our site, which is MammothInteractive.com. And if you haven't already, go and check that 10 hours free course about coding. And thank you very much for watching.